Welcome to my channel, guys. So this is Hafsa bringing you a review of one of the best blueberry muffin recipes there is online today. I've selected this recipe based on the ease of making and also how good it tastes. It has over 700 5-star reviews on it, so let's get started. So add in your wet ingredients, which is your oil, your egg and your milk, and also a little bit of vanilla, and give it a nice quick mix. Moving on to your dry, add in your flour, sugar, your salt, a baking powder, and give that a nice quick mix as well. So next, it's easy as adding the wet and mixing it with the dry. So do that and mix it, and make sure you don't overmix your batter, as that will change the texture of your muffin. One way I've made this recipe better is by adding some white chocolate chips. It comes out nice and caramelized at the end of the bake, and it's so delicious. Add in your blueberries and give it a quick mix. So another way I've made it better is by making a crumble top for our blueberry muffins, so that it is nice and crunchy on the top. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I will be bringing you more reviews in the future, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So next, fill in your cupcake liners 3/4 of the way. I've used medium cupcake liners, so I got just over 12 muffins. I love this recipe so much that I've made it so many times I couldn't keep count. This is a must try. Next, add in your crumble top for that crunchy bite. So I bake my medium-sized muffins for about 20 minutes to check if it's done. Insert a skewer, and if it comes out clean without any batter on it, then it's absolutely done. Now let's enjoy this simple pleasure of life. Look at that rise. So there you go, your muffins are done. It looks so tempting. I would give it a 10 out of 10 based on the ease of making and also how it tastes. It is so delicious. This is my favorite blueberry muffin recipe. It is so moist on the inside with a good spread of that yummy blueberries. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out my other videos. I'll see you next time.